In today's episode, we'll discuss common causes of electrical connection burnouts. We'll also cover how to replace burned out components due to these issues. Additionally, we'll explore solutions to prevent such burnouts. Let's start by discussing the common causes. First, loose connections. Poorly secured wires can cause bad contact, leading to heat buildup and eventual burnout. Second point, drawing more current than the component's rated capacity causes overheating at connection points. Third point, poor quality components. Using subpar breakers or wires can result in poor conductivity and heat resistance. Fourth point, moisture or oxidation on connection points weakens contact, causing excessive heat. Fifth point, unsuitable circuit breaker. Using a breaker with lower current capacity than the actual load. Propose solutions to avoid these burnouts. First, inspect and ensure tight connections. Second point, replace damaged or burned out breakers. If burn marks are visible, replace the component immediately. Third, use appropriately rated breakers. Ensure the breaker matches the electrical load. Don't use a 10A breaker for a 20A heater, for example. Fourth point, check the circuit load. Use an ammeter to verify if the circuit load is within acceptable limits. Fifth point, ensure quality of wires and components. Only use high quality electrical materials.